I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, designated by the God, Allah, for taking the care of beautiful seven worlds. Nowadays, God always invites us early in the morning, 4 to 5, a great meeting held at the house of the God. So many spiritual masters came in these meetings and always teaches us by God a great lessons and great messages for mankind. So today I learn this message and ordered by God to convey this message in the words for benefit of all mankind. So this is the message from House of the God today. What are the main roots of all negativities which creates all problems, pains in beautiful world? There is a strong devil, lower self, belly button, Iblis, seated in every human bodies. He is great examiner and examines all human beings from inside human bodies. He blocks all routes, doors which lead to the great God. He always wishes to rule over mankind from capture hearts by sitting inside bodies there. He always gives bad thoughts and leads minds to bad activities, and mankind follow that. So creates all problems, pains in beautiful world. Iblis, devil, lower selves, belly button, always lead mankind for maximum and regular practices for enjoyment with bodies by lust. So this bad regular practices creates so many diseases in human bodies. Devil always lead mankind for actions by anger. So this temperament practices by all people in the beautiful world. So many disturbances creates in beautiful world. Devil always lead mankind for maximum actions by greed. So people collect maximum money and materials by wrong ways and wrong practices. So a great imbalances creates in beautiful world. Devil always lead mankind for maximum actions by attachment with family members, with himself, with close relatives and materials. So devil blocks of roots and doors to the beautiful God and natural happiness with full developments by all means and creates injustice in beautiful world. Devil always lead mankind for maximum actions with ego. So fightings among peoples and wars amongst countries be happened. Hence, people of the beautiful world cannot get best and sufficient food, clothes, and houses as needed from time to time. By devil, mankind always remains in attractions of words, touches of smoothness, appearance, liquids, drinks, soft drinks, smells, and fragrance. So these are reasons for abiding and gives pains to mankind. So we must purify this lower self, belly button, devil inside human bodies. So we must purify this lower self devil belly button by spiritual powers from God. This is the great message from house of the God. I am just servant for mankind, appointed as a mother of the world by God and Allah. So just I am conveying this message, beautiful message for mankind. I am now designated as a mother of the world. So I have to care and give the safety to entire the seven worlds and give happiness to all beings in the worlds. Just I am the servant and lovely brothers of all mankind. I am praying today for all mankind that we must follow this pure spiritual path which leads to the God, and we must care and we must purify this devil, this lower self and belly button by spiritual powers from God. We will meet regularly and I will convey beautiful messages which are receiving from house of the God. I am also praying for mankind, healthy, wealthy and happiness. I am requesting for leave today. We will meet regularly. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.